Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed and today's tutorial is about adding double exposure effect to your photographs using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. From here, select solid color. I'm keeping it white for now. Move it under the model layer. Now, from File menu, I'm selecting Place Embedded option and choosing the image. Resize the image. As I want clouds to be a major part of my effects, so I'm keeping this part of image. Click the check mark. Select the model layer and click its thumbnail while holding down the control button. Click the image layer and add mask. This gives us a silhouette of model. Drag the model layer while holding down the Alt button to make a copy of it. Set the blending mode to lighten. Create a mask on it. Select the brush tool, increase its size and keep the opacity between 40 to 60. Keep the forecolor black and brush it on the mask. I want the ear to be visible here, so I'm brushing it on the silhouette mask. Select and make a copy of it using Ctrl J. Delete the mask by dragging it to bin. Set the lighten blending mode. Double click the color and choose a darker color from image because we want the clouds to be visible. Select the layer and add the mask by keeping the Alt key pressed. Switch the forecolor to white and by using brush reveal the clouds. For this, keep the opacity to 70 to 80. I'm doing a few amendments to make it a bit more powerful. We're done with the double exposure effect. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!